I'm going to show you how to make a really pretty fall arrangement you can display in your home on a wooden candlestick. You can use any size wooden candlestick. I have already made one of these on a taller one. This is a really simple project, and I'm sure that you can do it, and you're going to love having it on display in your home. I bought a variety of different fall blooms. They were all mostly bushes, and I just take them and cut them apart like so, because I don't want to use them like a bush. I want to use the individual flowers. So I was getting those ready, but now what I'm going to do is I have a 5.8-inch circle. You can buy these at any craft store. If you want to make a smaller arrangement with like a smaller pumpkin on the top, you can find some small styrofoam circles like this at Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hot glue and put it all around the top of my candlestick like so. Put a generous amount on, and then I'm going to stick the styrofoam circle right on there so it's secure. I had this pretty pumpkin left from the past, but it was kind of this gray blue, and I didn't like it. Well, the bottom's not going to show, so I just gave it a coat of paint yesterday, and I'm going to put glue on all of the high points of the bottom of my pumpkin so it will stick right to our styrofoam. Just like that. And now I have it all in one piece. It's time to add some pretty leaves and flowers. Same thing. I cut this bunch of leaves apart, and I'm just going to use wire cutters to cut them down to the length that I want. I want them to be pretty short. I don't want this to get like turn into some giant arrangement. And I'm going to go around and add my fall leaves. Make sure when you're picking out your flowers, you're picking things out with nice stiff stems so that they will stick right into the styrofoam. And then on your leaves, just push them all the way to the tip, and then you can cut this really short. So you could do one of these all with just leaves if that's the look you wanted, but I'm going to add fall flowers to mine. You could add ribbon to yours if you wanted. Just get creative and do something that appeals to you and that you would like to have on display in your home. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start adding my different fall flowers. Fall is my favorite season, and I just love all the colors. Orange is not my favorite color, but I love the burgundy. But I do use orange. Obviously, this has plenty of orange in it. And we're just going to go around like that and start filling in all around our pumpkin. You want to eventually hide the styrofoam completely. Now I'm going to turn this around so I can see what's on the back side. See, I didn't have any of the burgundy ones up back here. And again, push those leaves all the way up your stem. You may not think you want the greenery, but the interesting thing about when you allow the greenery to be seen, it makes your flowers, the color of your flowers, stand out better. See how full that's getting, and you're not going to be able to see the styrofoam at all. And you're going to have a beautiful elevated fall arrangement with this pumpkin on top. I bought these little pumpkins I thought I was going to add, but I think I'm going to save those for something else. And just turn your arrangement around and make sure that you're keeping, the colors evenly distributed all the way around your arrangement. You don't want like all the burgundy on one side and all the orange on another side. Now, I picked up all of these flowers at Michael's, which is having a really good sale. Let's face it, they're having a really good sale almost all the time. But you can make these with Dollar Tree blooms too. And what you might want to do is pick up some nicer artificial flowers for over the top, and the things that you're hiding more below, use the less expensive blooms for those. I have a few more leaves left. I'll pop those down here around my base. Don't hesitate to pick your arrangement up and look underneath to see. Now, this is going to be on a sofa table, so no one's going to see underneath there. So I could continue to add more, but I can save those for another project. And here you've got a beautiful elevated fall centerpiece or arrangement that you can display anywhere in your home. I will put links below to all of the products that I used to make this. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time right here.